Hello, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today I've got a special one for anybody that has one of our Proud Rhino rear ladders. So if you got a ladder like this on your car, or you've got one of those coveted Trek units which came with the ladder, this video is for you. A lot of people have been asking us for a right-hand only reverse light upgrade kit. That is a lot to say, but I think you know what I'm on about. The rear ladder sits in the place where we would put our normal left and right upgrade kit here. Show a photo of that for everybody. That's what the kit looks like, but in order to get the light, you had to buy both of them. We went back to the manufacturer and said, send us a boatload of only right hands, and here it is. So I'm going to do a quick, fast install on it. We've already got the full video on how to take the whole truck apart. But for this one, we're just going to focus on the lower right-hand corner. Cue the intro, and I'll meet you back. Okay, this one's going to be a quick one. If you want to see the detailed step-by-step instructions, just look at the one that we did for the full kit. I'll put a link in the description. So the first thing I want to do is get the top trim out of the way so we can get the lower trim out of the way so we can get access to the wires. Next up, we're going to want to get this lower plastic trim piece off using our favorite trim plastic tools. And I cheated, got everything loose, but essentially it just clips in like so. Now the wiring harness has got a little push pin. You know what? Bet you can see me wiggle the push pin right there. I'm going to get the plastic trim tool behind it, pop that off, expose the wiring harness, then we can put in the light. Oh my God, look at me struggle. Oh my God, no lie, this clip was not letting go. It is cold in here, so maybe there was some shrinkage. All right, we're gonna put on the new wiring harness. You can hear it doesn't even want to clip into the new one. I'm gonna have to stand in front of the camera, get a good look at what's going on with this plastic. All right, there we go. Didn't have to block the view. Let's see if you can play nice. There we go, that one's in. Now we'll just tuck everything and snap it in place. All right, almost done. I'm going to put all this plastic back on. We'll start the car up and see how it looks. Here you go. Awesome solution for more light when you're reversing. And if you've got the Proud Rhino ladder, good on you. Now we've made it easier for you to get that extra light that you've been looking for. All right, guys, on that, I'll see you on the next one.